Today's skill is titled Prime Factorization. We're going to look at two ways to factor out numbers. The first one is called division by primes. Let's take a look at our first example, 60. So we want to divide by primes. So we can take our number 60 and divide it by a prime number. In this case, because it's even, I'm going to choose the number 2. 2 goes into 60 30 times. Again, 30 is even, so I'm going to divide by 2. 2 goes into 30 15 times. Now we have to think for a moment of another prime, which would be 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. And so our answer here is 60 equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So we factored it out according to division. Let's look at our next example. Now we're going to factor out a prime number using a factor tree. Example number 2. Very similar to our first one. We can go, because it's even, we can do 2 and 30, 2 and 15, and 3 and 5. So again, we have 60 equals 2, 2, 3, 5, our prime numbers. And just so you know, you could also factor it out a different way. If you wanted to, you could do 6 and 10, 2 and 3, and 2 and 5. But you'll also note that you end up with the same numbers, 2, 2, 3, and 5. Example number 3. Let's take a look at the number 36 and factor it out both ways. On the left, we'll use division by primes. Both ways will give you the prime factorization of 36. Practice. Take the number 125 and figure out the primes through division and by using a factor tree. Pause the video and come back when you're ready. Alright, so 125, I would do 5 times 25, then 5 and 5, letting me know that the prime factorization of 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. On this side, same type of idea, 5 and 25, 5 and 5. Prime factorization on this side equals 5 times 5 times 5. If you got those both right, give yourself a big smiley face with some hair. Nice job.